Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you are good. I am fantastic. Since you're here, you might as well just subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share this video. Today I'm going to be bleaching dyeing my hair purple with my DIY dye. My hair is kind of that color, and now I just found this product in the house. Since we're in lockdown, I can't really go and buy bleach from the store, so I'm just going to use what I have. As y'all can see, my hair is growing out, and I just wanted to dye that part that is black to blonde, so I can kind of match my hair. But yeah, so inside the packaging I just found a developer and the dye and these gloves, and I need a comb for this, and also the gentian violet paint that I bought from Clicks for like 15 rand, and also this dark and lovely conditioner treatment that comes with the dye, the blonde dye, and an old piece of glass that I just cut to make it a bit smaller. So now I'm just taking the developer and the dye and mixing it inside that bowl, and also I put on the gloves that comes with the box dye. Even though those gloves are huge, like I couldn't even work using them, but eventually I ended up letting go of one glove and just using one. So I just mixed that and that, 2/3, like a third of it, into the container and half of the developer, and then into this consistency I just mix it. All of them are liquidy. There was nothing that was a powder or anything, and I don't really, after using this, I wouldn't recommend it or use it again because it's too slow and it was burning my scalp and it was burning my hair. I wouldn't recommend this dye at all. And then now I'm just detangling my hair, and at first I just wanted to part and apply it on my roots, but I realized that it would be like seriously time consuming. Hence I just went in with the sides first and then apply it in the middle and then massage it down to make sure all the black part of my hair is covered. But it's basically just self-explanatory. If you watch, you can pretty much see what I just did. I just slithered it on, like nothing too difficult or too complicated. Then I left it on my hair for like an hour or so. I think it was more than an hour, and it wasn't really doing much. Like, yeah, I think the rest just watch, and it's just self-explanatory. After doing this, I put a plastic on my head and kept it on for like an hour or so. Let's just say an hour 30 minutes or hour 15 minutes. That's how long I kept it. So if you want to know how I dyed my hair blonde, I just I put a link of the video in the end. I did that video, and if you check the corner of this video, you'll see a suggested tab video. Click on it, then it will take you straight on how I dye my hair blonde. I was just trying to touch up my black side of the hair, that's all. And now I'm just using a comb to make sure my hair is thoroughly covered with the dye. And yeah, I feel like the other video is a bit more detailed than this one, and I would highly recommend you watch that one instead of this one. And if your hair is already blonde, I don't know, you can just go to the end part of this video. So mine is not, hence I have to do all this other stuff. Okay, so this is the second part of the video. Basically, now I am just taking conditioner and pouring it into my container. This particular conditioner I got from my previous bleach powder, and I just wanted to use it and not let it go to waste. It's a white conditioner, so it can also work for this videos. Any white conditioner will work. And I also I used the treatment that came with the dark and lovely dye that I used in this conditioner. As I said, I didn't want to waste those products, hence I used them. They are not essential to use them. Just use any conditioner that you have. I just used whatever conditioner I had, and I also used this deep conditioner from Afri-True from Clicks to make sure that I have enough quantity to cover my entire hair, because the Renew conditioner and the treatment was very little to cover my head. So now I take the gentian violet paint and I pour this gradually. Even though I don't really show it in this video, I pour it gradually, bit by bit, according to the color that I wanted. If you want it slightly lighter, pour a little bit of this, and if you want it a bit more darker, you can just pour more of it depending on your consistency. And that's the final color that I wanted and that I got, and I really just loved it, and I just kept on stirring it until I got this color. Pretty much that's it. And then from here I applied this very carefully onto my hair, making sure that it shouldn't really touch my face mainly, or I tried to make sure it didn't touch my skin. My scalp, not really, because there was no escape from that. I just crossed my fingers and prayed that it wouldn't dye my scalp or my hair, face and my hair and all that, because this is my first time using this and I didn't know how it will work out, how the color would stay or anything. I just had this idea to just try it out. And yeah, pretty much that's it. I just lathered it onto my hair, and the rest is just self-explanatory. And please don't use the violet paint on its own, because it's too watery. It will just drip down from your hair. It's important to mix it with conditioner and not shampoo or anything. Just make sure you mix it with your conditioner so that the consistency can be perfect and the color payoff can be perfect. I let this stay in my head for like an hour or so. Let's just say just keep it, if you want to try this, keep it on your hair for at least an hour so that the color payoff can be there and it can last longer. And this is the final results. I really like this hair, but I feel like it's a bit dramatic for me. It will take getting used to. I never expected the gentian violet to be like this, because I just rinsed my hair once and left the conditioner for like an hour, and this is the results. I feel like you can, with it's a great alternative for purple dye, because you can adjust how much of the purple you want. And I feel like if I want to go back to blonde, I just have to wash my hair with bleach or with my normal shampoo. So yeah, that's all. And yeah, I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to like, comment, and please do subscribe. And if you can, share my video with your other friends. That's how my channel will grow, and it will be a great support system for me. And by the way, when you're washing your hair, please use gloves, as it kind of stained my nails. It's out of my hand, but it just got in here while I was trying to style the hair, so be careful of that. So yeah, that's it. Bye.